is Infosys Springboard again? This is a web-based, online course scheme which is available to every student who can actually create an account and then learn those courses, and then they are offered a certificate after its completion. So earlier, if you all might have heard or not, Infosys Head Start was the previous name. Now they have changed the total thing to Infosys Springboard. They have a simple website. I'll provide the link to you guys in the chat box. Just a second. So this is the link. You all can register here anytime. And all the courses are free of cost. So this thing, again, coming to what is Infyspringboard, and they aim to enable students and associated communities from early education employment by enabling them on digital and supporting life skills. Their objective is to improve your core skills, digital skills, life skills, behavior skills, lifelong continuous education. They aim to provide every student with a continuous learning using digital platforms, where every person will have a smart device. Of course, they have a laptop, and then during this lockdown, this is actually an idea implemented by most of the online retailers like Coursera, Udemy, etc. But this thing is directly from Infosys. You get a better certificate pay rate. It'll have more value here. Next, who benefits out of it? So students between age group 10 to 22, all across India. It's only for Indian students between 10 to 22. They have separated them into various age groups. From 10 to 12, we have basic coding, and then from 13 to 18, they'll have the advanced coding, and beyond 18, they'll have extra courses again. Then there'll be certificates after completing every course based on their choice. There are many course choices, more than 300 or more than 1,000. You can pick any course based on the topic which you feel right for you, and then complete the course for your certificate. And the next objective of Springboard is improve digital literacy. Digital skills for the smarter world enable people to work in a digitalized environment more comfortably. It gives people more experience working with technical tools. Then it helps to learn programming the easier way. Like coding, programming, in earlier times it takes a lot of effort, but right now they have simplified the way of learning. You can learn it really quick and easy. And finally, not just for students, but there's another offer for the teachers also. Teachers can enroll as volunteers and they can guide learners, they can help Infosys, they can actually be trainers, etc. So the next thing about Infyspringboard. Currently, they're offering 4 types of courses in their website. First thing is young students. They introduce young minds to technologies and its application in business and day-to-day life. They teach basic coding, giving small games for kids. Those code blocks games where you have a certain game where you need to complete a task. A small robot moving for a certain distance, you put those blocks, start, next, stop. You have 3 various codes. That's for kids. The second thing, daily coding classes, is for preteens around age group 14 to 18. They'll have applications of technologies in real life, which includes programming languages like Java, Python, C#, JavaScript, and more. And then there are Springboard even provides English classes like spoken English for everyone, age group 10 to 22 again. They can learn spoken English, written English from industry standard content. Finally, technology training. This is for age group 18 plus. College students and faculty. This is even applicable for teachers. So they learn application of Horizon 2 technologies from subject matter experts and architects. They have various courses and certain internships are also provided. You need to keep a track on the website's updates regularly for that. And currently there are 363k users registered and 300 plus institutes which are enrolled. Our college SRM Ishwari is also part of it. And then 41 lakh courses available in their website. So there are plenty, you can choose, there are many options open for you. So here is a short video to conclude everything I've just said now.
We are delighted to present to you the Infosys Head Start portal, which is now ready to be launched. Learners will be able to access the platform using the URL https://infosysheadstart.onwingspan.com. The landing page articulates the Infosys CSR vision and ESG goals. It gives an overview of how the content is organized and explains how the individual learners, teachers, schools, and volunteers will benefit from the portal. The portal is designed for students across India in the age group of 10 to 22 years. Individual learners can directly register with Google or Facebook authentication. The schools can register students in bulk by uploading their information in one go. On login, the schools will see their customized homepage and can also see relevant information for all their students. This will also serve as one-stop portal for both online and instructor-led classes. Students can explore technology and soft skills of their choice by themselves. Alternatively, they can use the recommendations from their teachers to explore. The content has been organized based on learners' grade. Learners will get access to curated content and core skills, which will help them to appreciate and apply the new age digital skills in different industries like financial payments, creative design, data visualization, etc. In the 21st century, life skills involving the ability to learn, to digitally interact, to effectively work across geographies with multi-generation individuals have become basic requirements for students. We have focused on areas like behavioral skills, analytical skills, business orientation, communication, collaboration, creativity, among others on the platform. We also support lifelong learning culture by helping students to learn new skills or refresh existing skills on an ongoing basis. Going ahead, we also plan to offer certifications which will open up more possibilities for employment and entrepreneurship. The portal offers technology playgrounds and has also brought in the complete scratch coding platform created by MIT. It's a block-based visual programming language to help children in age group of 8 to 16 years to learn coding. In the subsequent releases, the platform will be augmented with local language support and content for major Indian languages, girl empowerment involving personality development for girl students of class 6 and above, quality content from leading universities in the USA, financial literacy content from experts, content for visually impaired people.
So I hope you have understood something from this video. Now let me just guide you on how to register for this Infyspringboard. So yeah. The steps to register are, you need to log into the website which I've put in the chat box, and then click on this button called Get Started. The website name is loginspringboard.oningspank.com, and scroll down a bit, and then you'll find this Get Started button. When you click Get Started, you'll be proceeded with the prompt of it'll be this application form which will be generated, and it'll ask you some questions, and here are the questions you can just see for your reference. The first thing is it'll ask if you're 18 or older, because it'll have this code segmentation. If you're below 18, it'll give you those simple game codes or the small and simple programming classes that are assigned for kids. Above 18, you'll have technical courses. And next, it'll ask you for your language, which is step 2. And the third one is to agree for its terms and conditions. Fourth, so this part is really important. The first thing, it will check if you're a learner or a parent, and then second is for institutes. Institutes can register to host courses or even learn courses. Like institutes can have a bulk course which is created for a set of students. And the third one is for teachers. Teachers can learn or teach. That's their choice. So you can fill this form, and then there's this volunteer option. Clicking this volunteer option will make you be the host there. So simple, it'll ask you for your name, last name, state, city, and selecting your college name will directly put your institute address there. then your affiliation, grade, and your phone number. That's it. And then finally, this is like your direct machine learning oriented process, which happens in Pinterest and Netflix. It will take your choices of interest, like just take them and put them to your interest. They'll be stacked up. Like you take computer vision, health and fitness, you take 10 of them. It will be suggesting you courses based on your choices. Whatever the choice you take will be the choice you know, it will be displayed in your recommendation system. But even if it's not necessary if you don't select the right choice, you can either way search the name of the course which you want to learn. Finally, it'll ask you the theme. You can just take the font size, everything. This is up to your choice. And then once you get the screen, your registration is set. So I'll show you guys the actual website. So this is the website after you're done registration. And then this is your home page, and keep an eye on this news feed regularly because they keep putting the latest events. There's a current event going on right now. It's NAP 2020. It's on 8th September. If you guys are interested, you can just log in and just see what it is about. You can be individual learners also. I would suggest being an individual learners because you can get certificates faster. You can keep learning simultaneously also. And then yeah, there's other event coming up. So yeah, that's it for the events. And then here are some, like scroll down, you have courses which are generated based on your interest. There's IoT, integrating with machine learning, computer vision, etc. There are various courses. There's even Hadoop, Keras, etc. So if you want to learn some course there, just click on some course, and then all courses are free of cost again. It'll be given here. There's some premium courses. There are like very few premium courses on this website because Infyspringboard wants everyone to be educated regarding these topics. And then there's the duration of this course. It's just 6 minutes course, and then beginner, and then you have levels also here. So it's global. You can check the region, and this is based on cybersecurity. So when you want to learn this course, just click on start. It will just show you this course has only one video. So listening to this video will suggest you what's the next course, and then after completing this course, you can get your certificate, and that you can put it up on your LinkedIn profile or you add it up on your resume, etc. And you can even do some modifications on the website too. You can have some goals set. You can have courses which you want to do. You can put your completed courses here. Completed courses will automatically be pushed here. Before that, if you have a wish list or if you have a to-do list, like let's say you have to do this course first and then you want to do something else later, you can put them in order. You can just click the plus button and you can search for the course, and you can make it come on this list. So you will have this plan ready, knowing what to do next. You'll have everything set. Again, Playground. Coming to Playground, these are like online compilers basically. In a way, you can say they're online compilers. Just click the language you want, and then click on try out. It'll literally create an online environment for you where you can actually work your projects on. So let's say Big Data Playground, you'll have a Big Data online compiler again. It's like an IDE, but Infosys browser version IDE. So that again makes you convenient for not downloading any other software. Then finally, under Explore, you can select if let's say some of the courses of your interest are not displayed in your recommendation system, go to Explore and then technology, AI, something. I mean, you can take anything. It's again up to your choice. The machine learning, then you can choose something here. You can just choose a topic here. So let's say our department is AI, so I'll show something regarding AI. So there's regression under AI, NLP, and then deep learning, regression analysis. These are learning modules. Modules are like set of videos. And then courses. Modules don't offer certificates, but courses do. So you need to keep an eye for the best course again. Courses take a longer time because courses are like set of modules again. Learning modules are individuals. So yeah, that's it. You can just build your profile here if you want. That's it for Springboard. I hope you do many courses, get more certificates. And that's it. Thank you. So
very good explanation and demonstration, Mukul.
Thank you, ma'am.
Hope you people were understood the objective of this particular presentation. Try to utilize to the core and get more credentials and try to enrich your profile. The ultimate aim, you need to enrich your profile. That's all. That is the main perspective of this particular club. Today we started the thing about Springboard in Infy. There are plenty amount of courses at free of cost. It is equivalent to Udemy or Coursera courses. As I said earlier in the last semester, it can uh, give credentials. You can directly link the credential within a LinkedIn platform. Hope you are created the LinkedIn. Directly you can make a connection. Through that, you are ready to go with the placement at any time. It will make you to ready. Fine. So try to involve and register more number of courses. At least start with the optimum course whichever suits for you and complete as soon as possible. Clear? Well, presentation, Mukul. If there is any doubt regarding a registration and what is to be done, how it needs to be done, contact the Mukul and as well
Yeah,
as
sure. You
myself
can contact
also.
me anytime. The registration is very simple. When you click on the register now button, it will ask you. You can directly sign in with your Google account. Just give your Gmail ID and password. It will create an account for you immediately. So there's nothing complicated. Even after that, you have any doubts, you can approach me anytime.
Yeah, thank you so much. Thank you, Mukul, for the clear presentation.
Okay.
Fine, students. Do you have any other doubt? Anybody is having any doubt regarding this presentation?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Try to get the registration as soon as possible. Complete your registration and start to study. Fine. I understand in each and everything we are asking you people to do this activity, that activity, and register so many courses. Fine. I can understand, but try to realize the competition is heavy in the era. The competition era we need to face in the sense we need to equip. Obviously, we should equip yourself. That's why we are showing so many paths. We can show only a path. The selection and optimization and achieving that particular path is up to us. All the best. Do well. Yeah, thank you all. We'll meet in the last class session. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, Mukul. Thank you.